Hey guys, so today I am filming a video about my face care routine. The idea for this video came to me because for years I have never had like a consistent skincare routine, and I haven't really had problematic skin, but as I've been wearing makeup more, my T-zone has become just out of control and ridiculous with the oil, and like the rest of my face is okay, you know, it's like occasional breakouts here and there, but I have down a face care routine, and I was like, you know what? For anyone out there struggling, or maybe you just need a new face care routine, I got you. I got you, girl. So we're gonna jump into this, and I'm just going to start off by putting my hair up and out of my face so none of my products gets in my hair. The first thing I'm gonna do is put some water on my face, and I'm going to be using the oatmeal and honey scrub. I got this at Sally's, and it is just like a facial scrub with, you know, like honey oatmeal. It's not 100% like natural, but I did look up some reviews and I saw good reviews on this. I'll let you guys know my personal preference. It says it's for normal to dry skin. It gently exfoliates for a healthy complexion. So I'm gonna wet my face and apply this scrub over my entire face. This is how it looks. It smells like kind of chocolatey actually, and it's not really that much of an exfoliator type scrub. It's very gentle, which honestly for my nose area I don't think is gonna do a lot with getting in the pores, but I'll use my DIY scrub after this and show you guys.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring the belly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own funnel and I pay my own.
Okay, so I wasn't really that impressed with the exfoliating power in this scrub. It was very gentle, which, I mean, if you have extra sensitive skin, then maybe that's okay for you, but the DIY scrub I have is a lot more exfoliating, and I know like a lot of people suffer with getting like built up, you know, makeup and stuff around their nose area and clogged pores around like their nose area. I'm one of those people, so I have a DIY scrub I'm gonna go ahead and use next, which is what I have been using. So I keep my DIY face stuff in here. It is a mixture of coconut oil and brown sugar, and this stuff is like magnifique. Like I promise you, like girl, your skin's gonna be popping. Pores what? Like it clears out your pores so good. The scrub itself is pretty harsh, and I mean you can make it softer if you add water in there, but it's pretty exfoliating. This is how it looks. And it's, like I said, brown sugar and coconut oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this and rub it into my skin. Okay, after you use this scrub, your face is gonna be a little bit red because, you know, it did go in and really exfoliate and scrub deep within the pores. My skin feels really smooth. So we're not done here. After I clear out the pores, I wanna go in and just cleanse and make sure everything really is out of there. So I highly recommend using an organic black soap. Now you can just use this by like rubbing in your hands and wiping it in, but I just take it to another level by using a little exfoliator pad. You can get these from like the dollar store, Walmart, Target. And I take this and rub it in to this and then rub it on my face.
When I'm talking to my friends so quietly,
now that I've washed off the black soap, my face feels squeaky clean. I've gone in and exfoliated. I've washed my face thoroughly. Now it's time to add moisture back in. So the last step is going to require either like a cream or an oil. My choice is sweet almond oil. I love this stuff. My skin loves this stuff. My face just loves it. And this has vitamin E oil, which is just really good for skin, period. So the one I use is Silk Elements. It's 100% pure sweet almond oil, and I got it from Sally's. And I'm just gonna get the little dropper and put a couple drops on my face. And I'm gonna rub it in. Alright guys, and that's it. That is my face care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have all the products linked down below. And let me know if you try this routine out, guys. I really hope you do, because my skin has been flourishing, and this oil has also been like making my eyebrows luscious, and these eyelashes have been growing. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Look. Hey, hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Is this recording?